Future plans. In the future, I plan to finish my studies and get a good job. I hope to become a doctor because I think it is a good job that will allow me to help people. I also want to travel and explore new places. I am working hard now to make my dreams come true.
Do you plan to finish your studies in the future?
Yes, I plan to finish them.
What do you plan to finish?
I plan to finish my studies.
When do you want to finish your studies?
In the future, not now.
Do I plan to finish my studies?
Yes, you plan to finish them.
Who plans to finish their studies?
I plan to finish my studies.
Do you want to quit studying?
No, I want to finish.
Why do you want to finish your studies?
Because I want a good job.
Do you plan to get a good job?
Yes, I want a good job.
What kind of job do you want?
I want a good job.
Do I want a bad job?
No, you want a good one.
Why do you want a good job?
To have a better future.
Are you planning to get a job?
Yes, I am planning that.
Do you plan to stay jobless?
No, I want a job.
Who wants a good job?
I do. I want one.
Do you hope to become a doctor?
Yes, I hope to become one.
What do you hope to become?
I hope to become a doctor.
Do I want to become a singer?
No, you want to be a doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Because I want to help.
Is a doctor your dream job?
Yes, it's my dream job.
Do you want to become a teacher?
No, I want to be a doctor.
Who hopes to become a doctor?
I do. I hope so.
Do you think being a doctor is a good job?
Yes, I think it is.
What job do you think is good?
I think being a doctor is.
Do I think it is a bad job?
No, you think it's good.
Why is it a good job?
Because doctors help people.
Is being a doctor a boring job?
No, it's a helpful job.
Do you like that job?
Yes, I like that job.
Who thinks it is a good job?
I do. I think so.
Will the job help you help people?
Yes, it will help me.
Why do you want that job?
To help other people.
Do I want to help animals?
No, you want to help people.
Who will you help as a doctor?
I will help sick people.
Does the job allow you to help?
Yes, it allows me to.
Can you help people with this job?
Yes, I really can help.
What will the job allow you to do?
It will allow me to help.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, I want to travel.
What do you want to explore?
I want to explore places.
Do I want to stay home?
No, you want to travel.
Why do you want to travel?
To see new places.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go abroad.
Do you want to visit new places?
Yes, I really do.
Who wants to explore the world?
I do. I want that.
Are you working hard now?
Yes, I'm working hard now.
Why are you working hard?
To make my dreams true.
Do I work hard every day?
Yes, you work every day.
What are you working for?
I'm working for my dreams.
Do you want your dreams to come true?
Yes, I really want that.
Who is working hard now?
I am. I'm doing it.
How do you work for your dreams?
I study and practice daily.